Next portion is concept of data type. Each Java program is a set of statements and each statement is a set of different Java programming character sets. The smallest unit of Java language is a set of characters needed to write Java tokens. The character sets are defined by Unicode character set. And then tokens. The tokens is the fundamental or functional unit of a computer program. The token is the functional or fundamental unit of a computer program. A program is a set of statements we know. A statement is composed of various components. Each individual component of a statement is referred to be a token. A token means each individual component of a program statement is known as a token. For example, this one is a statement that float Si is equal to PTR divided by 100. This one is a program statement. So, in this, the float is a token and Si is another token, equal to sign is another token. Likewise, each individual component, that bracket, P, star, symbol, the T, star, R, bracket closing, divided by symbol, 100, that semicolon, these all are the individual components. These are known as tokens, that individual components. There are different types of tokens we are using in a program. Tokens are divided into these: literal or constant, separators, identifier or variables, operators, assignment, keyword, punctuators. The tokens, literal or constant, separators, identifier or variable, operator, assignment, keywords, punctuators. In this example, this float, this one is the data type, that type of the data that we are using. This Si is the variable. Then this equal to sign is the assignment operator. And then this bracket is the separator. This symbol, multiplication symbol is this, star symbol is operator. That 100 is a constant, and the semicolon, these symbols are known as the punctuators. P, T, R and S, I are variables. So, this statement contains these much tokens there. Next one is literal or constant. The constant or literal are the fixed value that cannot be changed during the execution of a program. Literal or constants are a fixed value that cannot be changed during the execution of a program. The literals or constants are divided into these: integer literal, real literal, character, string, boolean, null. The literal or constant is the fixed value that is divided into these: integer, real, character, string, boolean and null. That integer literal means that's numbers or numeric value which are represented without the decimal point are called integer literal. Integer literals are the numbers which are represented without the decimal point are called integer literal. It includes positive or negative values. For example, int a is equal to 5. 5 is the constant value, that is an integer value. Then real literal. Real literal means the numbers. It also including numbers or floating point constants. It represents numbers with the fractional part. For example, float C is equal to 3.14. This 3.14 is the constant, that is a fractional number. Next one is character literal. It contains alphanumeric characters. All the alphabets, upper or lowercase digits or special characters can be termed as character literal. It represents only a single character enclosed within single quotes. Character literal means represents a single character enclosed within single quotes. For example, character C is equal to A. A is in between single quotes. Next one is single string literal. That string literal, it is a group of characters enclosed with double quotes. Group of characters enclosed with double quotes. For example, string A is equal to true. True is in the double quotes. Next one is Boolean. It represents true or false. It can be applied whether a given logical condition is satisfied or not. It is never enclosed within double quotes. That Boolean A is equal to true or false. Only two values are there, true or false. Next one is null constant. It is represented as /0. It is represented as /0. It is applied as a string terminated to mark end of a string. It is applied for marking the end of a string.